Hi guys, it's Primrose and welcome back. So as you can see, not everything in my garden is looking perfect. This is my peace lily, and I have been having leaf burn issue with this plant, and it happens around the time that I water this plant. About a day or two, that starts to happen. It starts right from the tip and it travels into the center until all of the leaf is consumed. And it started a year ago, and when I took a close look, all of the leaves were very thin, very flimsy, and I thought that was my main issue, and I suspected some kind of nutrient deficiency. I've had this plant for over 4 years now, and during the first 2 years of its life, it was not getting fed. So I started to fertilize it last year, and I was getting great results. As you can see, all of the leaves now are healthy. They are thick, they're strong. At least they look and they feel healthy to my touch. And but I'm still getting that. And when I posted that video last year, I was surprised to learn that there are a lot of people, it's not just me, who are having the same issue with this plant, the peace lily. So I'm not giving up on this plant. I'm eager, I'm very determined to find out what's causing this so I can share it with you all. And the second thing that I did was that I measured the water that I was giving this plant, just enough to like moisten it a little bit. The water was not even running out from the bottom of the pot, and in no time this pot was filled with healthier leaves. But about a month or two, a few people advised me that peace lily, this plant loves water, which makes sense because it's a lily. So I started watering it normally, like any other, like I do with my other houseplants. I let the water run out at the bottom. I drenched the soil completely, and then this happened. It lost at least half of the leaves. So although before I was still getting some leaf burn here and there, but it was not this bad. So I have never it never occurred to me that maybe it's the kind of water that I have been giving this plant. Maybe that's the cause, until about a week or two ago. A couple of people advised me to change the water to avoid the tap, and it makes sense, really makes sense, because the same thing happened to my Galathea when I was watering it with tap water. So I would like to think that this plant is really sensitive to the nasty chemicals in our tap, the fluoride and the chlorine. So I'm changing the water into rainwater, and I only did it once about 5 days ago. So hopefully the health of this plant will improve, and I am looking forward to give more details, to give more news about this plant. And yeah, hopefully I will find out what's causing this, but I have a feeling that it's the tap water that's causing this leaf burn. I'm ruling out nutrient deficiency now that the leaves are thick and strong. So we'll find out. And yeah, so that's like a year update, and still the issue has not been resolved. So I thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.